To validate Google Analytics tracking code, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a Google Analytics account and have generated a tracking code for your website. The tracking code is a JavaScript code snippet that you need to add to your website to track user behavior and other analytics data. Start by logging into your Google Analytics account and navigating to the admin section. Click on the property for which you want to validate the tracking code. In the property column, click on Tracking Info and then Tracking Code. This is where you will find the global site tag or the tracking code snippet that you need to add to your website. Copy the tracking code and add it to the header section of your website, preferably just before the closing head tag. This will ensure that the tracking code is loaded on every page of your website. If you are using a content management system such as WordPress, you can use a plugin to add the tracking code to your website. Once you have added the tracking code to your website, go back to your Google Analytics account and navigate to the real-time section. This section shows you the number of active users on your website in real time. If the tracking code is working correctly, you should see at least one active user, which is you, since you are currently accessing the website. To verify that the tracking code is working correctly, you can use the Google Tag Assistant, a Chrome extension that helps you validate and troubleshoot your Google Analytics tracking code. The Google Tag Assistant will show you if the tracking code is loaded correctly and if it is sending data to Google Analytics. Another way to validate the tracking code is by using the Google Analytics Debugger, a Chrome extension that provides detailed information about the tracking code and the data it is sending to Google Analytics. The Google Analytics Debugger will show you if the tracking code is working correctly and if there are any errors or issues that need to be fixed. Best practices for validating Google Analytics tracking code include regularly checking the real-time section to ensure that the tracking code is working correctly, using the Google Tag Assistant and the Google Analytics Debugger to troubleshoot any issues, and ensuring that the tracking code is added to every page of your website. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your Google Analytics tracking code is working correctly and that you are getting accurate data about your website users.